What's good? What's hood? I'm back with another one. It's a rainy day in New York today. See, Maria's covered up. We're about to go to the supermarket, go shopping. There's Nifty. She's sick. Right, Nifty? Huh? You see Nifty? Nifty. So, yeah, Marie's going to be sitting there. I rode her yesterday. So, we on our way to Miguel. Me and Nifty. Right, Nifty? Come on. We're going to warm up Miguel. There go Miguel right there. We're going to get a cold start. Miguel is fixed. I want to do a little promotion for the mechanic who fixed the car. Still looking clean. Still looking clean. I want to get new hubcaps for now until the summer comes and get rims. Basically, do the interior and stuff. Yeah. Let's get a cold start. Get out straight. Get out straight. Yeah, they got a cold start. Has 43,802 miles on it. So, yeah, she looking clean. The mats are looking good in here. This driving mat keep getting pushed back. Yeah. There's a wife. She don't want to drive today. She mad. So, yeah. It's just a little update on Maria and Miguel. See you later, Nifty. All right, until next time, like, share, hit that bell. And if you want to see more Nifty, just leave a comment. Till next time, I can show you better, I can tell you. Peace out.